Metal Mike, Junk and Antiques, a little bit better now. It's a little later. It must be about 8 o'clock. Just out here shoveling, taking care of business here in town. So we got those stairs done right now. So what we got to do, being I've got this odd, like almost ground level underground driveway, is I shovel all the snow off of the vehicles and such to this pile right here. And then what I'll do is I'll get my little pitiful handheld snowblower and just kick it all up onto this small boulevard right here. So this is where we're at. There ain't no plowing around here. They won't come and plow until it's all done. If you look all the way down there. It's blizzard conditions, totally. It's rad. Like I said, it's not cold. The pitiful Vikings play inside the dome today and they'll lose, as always, because they're losers. Yeah, it's supposed to be a Junk and Antiques